In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font color in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure that by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make those text color changes seamlessly. First, let's get started by opening up your PDF file. You'll want to make sure that you're using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC for this task. Once you have your PDF open, the next thing we'll do is navigate our way into Edit mode. You can do this by clicking on the Tools menu and selecting Edit PDF. In some versions of Adobe Acrobat, you might simply see an Edit option right there in the top or global bar. Either of these routes will take you where you need to go to start making edits. Now that you're in Edit mode, it's time to select the text you want to modify. Click on the text you wish to change, and you'll notice that Acrobat highlights the text box for you. This makes selecting your text clearer to ensure you are working with the correct section. You can drag over the specific text you want to recolor or, if you prefer, double-click inside the text box to select a portion of the text you want to work with. With your text selected, let's proceed to changing its color. On your screen, you should see the Format Text pane. This panel is incredibly handy and is typically located on the left side when you're in Edit mode. Here, you will find the Font Color option. Click on the color swatch or the font color control, and this will open up the color picker for you. In this step, you get to have a bit of fun choosing your desired color. If you're on a Windows computer, a color panel will display for you to pick from various shades and tones. For those using Mac OS, you'll see a standard color dialog box that allows for a wide array of color selections. Simply choose the color that fits your needs. Once you've made your color selection, it's time to apply the change. You can either click outside the text box, which effectively locks in your choice, or simply press the Escape key to finish up. As you do this, you should see the color of your selected text update right away. Finally, be sure to save your document. This ensures all your hard work is preserved. You can do this by navigating to the File menu and selecting Save or Save As, whichever works best for you. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the font color of your PDF text using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. By following these steps, you'll be able to customize your PDFs effectively and enhance their appearance to match your needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for additional tips and tricks.